Hey, what's happening? What's going on, YouTube? I hope your day is going great, wherever and whenever this is. Uh, Today I'm doing a little different style video. As you can see, my face is much bigger than normal. I just kind of wanted to talk about one of the probably most frequently asked questions I get in my private messages in my cryptocurrency trading group, which is linked below. It's the Discord group. A little over 2,000 people in there right now, all talking technical analysis and trading and making profits. So join that if you're not part of that yet, and you can reach out to me. But the question that I'm asked all the time is, how much money do I need in order to trade cryptocurrencies? I hate that question so much. So I kind of wanted to make this video and hopefully end it. I know obviously it won't end it for everybody, but I just want to kind of establish this question and my thoughts on it. First off, the technical answer is that there is no amount. Shocking, right? There's no amount that's too little to start trading cryptocurrencies. I mean, we had a group that was, or a guy in my group was trading like $2 trades at one point. So like obviously that's like nothing. That's a Starbucks coffee or a Coca-Cola or something. That's nothing. So to learn how to trade, that's great. You don't need much capital, hardly any at all, in order to learn how to trade. In fact, you can even paper trade, so you can kind of imagine that you have the money and you're going to make the trades, but you're not even necessarily making the trades yet. It's fake trading. But that being said, there's no requirements, right? So I'm going to rephrase this question and say, what's the ideal amount of starting capital in order to trade cryptocurrencies? I would say a good goal is $1,000. A great entry is also $500. And for me, I like the round numbers, so 500, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, whatever. I'm OCD like that. So I like the round numbers. I also like being able to see gains, right? So in my group, I preach 1 to 3% a day, and compound that out, and you'll be making great gains, and just keeps it safe. It's a good risk-reward ratio, right? So if I'm doing 1 to 3% a day on $10, it's just not like, it's not there. There's no meat to that. The way that really comes in is like when you're doing $1,000+ trades, the 1 to 3% really starts making sense because you're actually seeing some sort of like, you're still seeing gains being made. It's not a $1 or $2 trade. It's a $10, $100, $58 trade at that point. And that's when you start really seeing the capital grow, and you make good trades because your mind has to be in it because you have more money on the line. I think that that's like a really important factor to trading. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say, so like that's my answer to you, the people. Shoot for $500 as an initial investment. If you're a little more fortunate and you can swing $1,000, shoot for that. That way, all of your trades are going to be focused, well thought out. You're going to stick to your plan, and you're going to be able to see your gains. It's not going to be something that's so small that you can just not go to Starbucks that day, but you'll start making the gains that are going to start compounding and getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I hope that answers some of your questions, as well as gives an insight into my mind of how I think if I'm making trades and I'm putting in time to be doing this, I want to see the return on my investment for doing that, which is why I like to trade with larger amounts. So hope you have a great rest of the day. Go ahead and subscribe. Comment on this video. I'm sure I'll get a bunch of flack for it, but it's all good. And give me a like, and come say what's up to me in the Discord. Peace.